Yo,
Uy,
uyena.
uyafutha.
Wema, uyena.
So,
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course do share and follow you guys. So we all know that Thabo Bester is currently in prison, or at least that's what we think and are being told by the government and the media, you guys. Well, this clip of a guy who looks so identical to Thabo Bester is currently doing its round on social media, and people have found themselves confused as to whether this guy is really Thabo Bester or not. Well, this guy, he was seen at a club called Joe Cool's, and the place I think is based in Durban. Now, people were saying that if this guy is really him, Thabo Bester, then it surely does not surprise them one bit because he is loaded and this is Mzansi, and after all. And we all know that with money in South Africa, you can basically have anything you want. Even maybe a weekend out of prison to go outside clubbing is possible. Well, you guys, clearly that guy on that video is not Thabo Bester at all, as I checked online, and people do say that they know this guy and they can confirm that indeed it is not a Thabo Bester, you guys. He is just a Thabo Bester look alike. Anyways, please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also like, share, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you on my next one. Thank you so much for deciding to watch this video. Bye.